All right, so this is some homework help for your 13.3 worksheet. The first question says, tell whether the rates of change are constant or variable. So constant means that we're going to have the same change for y over x, and variable means it's not the same. So let's look at number one. This is going up by 1 each time. So I'm going to put plus 1 here. And it's plus 1 for every single one. And then for the y, I'm looking how much is it going up by. This is going up by 7. Up by 7. 7. And 7. To figure out if the rate of change is constant, I'm going to divide this change in y, like a fraction, divided by the change in x. So each of these will be 7 divided by 1. 7 divided by 1 each time. And 7 divided by 1 equals 7 each time. And so that is called constant. Because it's hard for me to write here, I'm just going to put C for constant. All right, number 2 here, I have plus 1. And then here, this is plus 2. Then I have plus 1 and plus 2 to go from 5 to 7. Down here, from 4 to 8 is plus 4. 8 to 16 is plus 8. This would be plus 4. And then plus 8. Okay, so then I'm going to divide the change in y over the change in x. So that would be 4 divided by 1. 8 divided by 2. 4 divided by 1. And 8 divided by 2. Each of these, if I divide them, equals 4. And if it's always 4, that's constant again. All right, let's look at one more. Here, I'm doing plus 2, then plus 1, plus 2, and plus 3. Okay, for the change in y, this is from 2 to 4 is plus 2, 4 to 6 is plus 2, 6 to 10 is plus 4, and 10 to 16 is plus 6. Alright, so if I do the change in y over the change in x, 2 over 2, 2 over 1, 4 over 2, and 6 over 3. Okay, if I divide these, 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 2 divided by 1 equals 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. So they're all the same except for this one. This one ruins it. So if it's not the same exact number each time when we divide it, that's called variable. Variable. I'm going to put V. So that the rate of change is changing. Okay. Number 4 right here. We'll go over the answers for 4, 5, and 6 after this. Okay, then we got a word problem. Christopher loads packages for a shipping company. He recorded the amount of money he earned as he worked more hours during the week. Determine whether the rates of change in the table are constant or variable. So I'm going to go from 4 to 10, that's plus 6. 10 to 18 is plus 8. This would be plus 4. And then plus 6. Okay, how was his money changing, what he was earning? From 50 to 125 would be 75. From 125 to 225 is 100. 225 to 275 is 50. And 275 to 350 would be 75. Okay, now what I'm going to do is divide these. 75 divided by 6, 8 divided by 100, or sorry, 100 divided by 8, 50 divided by 4, and 75 divided by 6. So you need to divide all those and see if they're the same answer or different. So you guys pause the video and see if they're the same or different. If they're the same, it's constant. If they are different, it's variable. So you guys try that. Pause the video. Alright, I divided all of these, and the answer each time was 12.5 each time. So this is constant. So I'll just put a C because it's hard for me to write here. Constant. We're going to graph the data and connect the points. If the rate of change is constant, is the slope positive or negative? So it is constant. We already know that. So we're going to graph it. So we look back to the original table, and I'm going to slide to 4 and jump up to $50. So slide to 4. If this is 5, then 4 is here, and jump up to $50, the dot there. And I'll make this a little bit bigger. Okay, slide to 10 and jump up to 125. Slide to 18 and jump up to 225. Slide to 22 and jump up to 275. And slide to 28 and jump up to 350. Okay, I'm just kind of guessing where these are because the numbers at the bottom are going by 5, so that's okay. It's straight. Now what I'm going to do is connect this with a straight line. Okay, so I'm going to start with the origin and connect it, connect it, connect it, connect it, connect it. Yep, it's straight. It's constant rate of change. And is this slope positive or negative? Well, it's going up from right to left. For each of the hours he's increasing, he's making more money. So that's positive. So we would say positive rate of change. Okay? The rest of the answers for your homework, we will go over that, all the answers next time we meet.